have a life vest from aircraft. If you're wondering what this is a light bulb. You need to put this in water, or just put in something that's liquid in order to turn this thing on. So basically, in order to put this thing on, if it is under your seat or whatever in an aircraft, just in case of emergency, first what you want to do is it's usually in a bag, and then you need to rip it open, but you have to unfold it and then put it around your neck. And not like other life vests, you need to basically buckle yourself up into it. And then, if it isn't too tight on you, if it isn't strapped onto your waist, pull this little strap. Which for me, I'm a kid, so yeah, of course it would. So then, when you get to the door, they don't want you to just inflate these in the aircraft because it'll be too big and you can't see your way to the exit. You'll want to pull down on this handle. And this handle will trigger a pin to go up into the cylinder. It will puncture the end of that and well, CO2. And this is actually a CO2 cylinder for the moment. So when you get to the door, this is how you inflate it. You'll just need to pull on this handle. Andy, come here. I'm about to pull it. So, if you've never done this before, it would be startling because just an entire thing just suddenly inflating. But if you have been in an emergency where you needed one of these, you're going to be stressed out because it's dark and the plane is sinking. So, get prepared. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now it's very tight. And come feel this, Mom. Feel this, man.
Wow.
Oh, what? Piece of it fell off right here. That's when the pin falls off.
Okay.
And then, now it's very tight, and watch what happens if I take my belt off. And it'll float in your face if you don't have it buckled down. So, I have to get the buckle back.
There's nothing there the dog can get, is there? It fell off.
I think it just is gone. I think it just fell off.
Just disappeared, huh?
Is that it, end? Is that it?
No, don't finish it. So, in this thing, you can also blow into it, and, that's just kind of confusing right there. And then you can push down on this part, and then it'll just inflate if you're, like, bigger than me or something. And now I'm letting the air out. Oh my, it's gonna take forever. And don't.
Now you push it down, then I'll push it. Right. Your fingers in on that too. You should be able to take it off.
Oh, here it is.
Now you can see it.
And now, if you take this off, look.
Yep, it's been poked, hasn't it?
Yep.
Yep.
So that's it for this video. Bye.